Gail said, Gail, I think it was now. But he used to be like a heavy, and so he, I think went to. All right. Get that? Is we ready or is we ready? We're live! Yay!
Right.
Ooh, too early for live.
Yeah.
Hey everyone! So there's a reason why Adrian, Ty, and me are here.
Like
It's because I know, right? We're here because of one reason. It's this sauce that might kill us, might not kill us.
We are just gonna do we're gonna find out. Right?
Yeah, we are gonna find out today. Today is the day.
So the whole story behind it is Kamaj released
your
the
fault.
hot sauce. So and Yasmin posted about it, and then just explain it. What
Yeah,
happened
because I
was-
finally got my hands on this bottle after weeks. I was super happy and I was like, hey! And then the next thing you know, everyone's like, how is this? What is this?
You should do a video or something.
Yeah.
Right? And then after that, I was like, I'm gay. And then after that, I came into the scene.
Yeah.
And then after that, Adrian was like, okay, let's do this then. And then
so we are here. So we had Blue Spoon Cafe, Java Road, and all samosas and the whole setup is sponsored by Blue Spoon. And obviously the sauce is by Kamaj, though you actually bought it. So.
I paid. I paid for death.
paid for the sauce.
So we are gonna try it. Hopefully it's not too spicy because she's the only one who can handle spicy.
Handle spice. Yeah, she
Apparently.
can totally, definitely handle spicy. I am Chinese.
Just in any case, this goes anywhere. We are gonna try hot sauces in the
If
future.
this goes anywhere, this is not going to be posted.
So we have a live video also going on here. You guys can send questions. We are just basically trying out the
Daiyya
hot sauce by Kamaj.
Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, you can just put down any questions there so we can answer. Yeah, medicine and stuff like that. Just in case.
Medicine, tissues, because just in case these guys pass out.
Because
Something happens.
Alright, let's get to it.
All
I
right.
have a bad feeling about this.
In America, they pop champagne, but in Sri Lanka,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
pop.
Oh.
Okay. Just like a ketchup bottle.
Okay, that
He
looks wrong.
Hit it for the backside.
Do you?
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do this.
All
Let's
right.
do this.
Grab your samosas, boys.
Yeah, because we are supporting vegetarian lifestyle
Yes,
here. You know?
exactly.
Yeah.
We should talk about that as
It
well.
would have
so-
been chicken wings, but she hasn't fed chicken.
Yeah.
I have 5 birds, 4 roosters, and a hen.
And
I used to also have birds, but not the birds you're talking about.
Oh.
Okay,
All right.
that's like a
Okay.
proper dip.
I got a proper dip too. Woo!
Cheers.
you're going to regret this.
Okay. Who's
one-
doing the countdown?
1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
Wait.
I underestimated this.
Yeah. You can
It's
feel
slightly
the.
burning. Wait.
The 9 minutes? Yeah.
It's not tomato based.
I don't think it's tomato based.
No, but it said there was tomatoes in it.
That's what this is. This is the Sri Lankan product.
Are you alright?
Yeah, my mouth is completely burning though.
Oh shit.
Yo. Are you okay?
Holy crap.
It's not.
Yo, drink this. Oh, holy shit. Yo. No, the problem is maybe.
No, actually,
Holy shit.
I really underestimated this.
Yeah.
It's burning me. Can you see I'm sweating?
I have never. Holy crap.
Dude, he's actually red.
So for the guys who are joining in right now, we are trying the new hot sauce by Kamaj. It's still kicking in though.
Yeah. It's.
Kamaj, what is in
It
this?
doesn't. I don't know what's wrong. I have never actually.
So
had-
apparently it
had
has
something
the Scotch bonnet pepper, Arboreno pepper, Sri Lankan spices. What spices, man? Just close the shit. Salt and sugar.
I don't think there's any
There's
sugar.
Salt maybe, but sugar.
I mean, in a scale of Tabasco and this is a very different kick.
Oh, I'm sweating also. Gee.
Yeah, I am.
Wait. Let me give you tissues. See, this is why I told you. We need tissues for this shit. No water. I haven't had water. I haven't had no water or anything water.
You really have done this.
Wow.
No, I used to drink Tabasco off the bottle, man.
This is like,
So, okay, I need some water now.
wow.
Sorry, boss mode kudu.
Now you feel it.
Nice.
Photoshop gone.
Oh,
It's okay.
Sorry.
don't touch your face.
Yeah, don't touch your face.
Yeah. Oh, we should do that.
We should do that.
Okay, so
This is the react show,
Yeah.
and we're still crying.
you can comment on the video, and you want us to do like stuff like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get, yeah. Seriously. Just put a
Yeah.
post and then we'll tag us. Okay.
Okay.
Fun times.
Alright.
Bye-bye. That was fun.
That was fun.
That was. Did we like press the video button?
I'm not sure whether it's on record. Let's see.